Jyotisha is the science of tracking and predicting the movements of astronomical bodies in order to keep time. It refers to one of the 6 ancient Vedangas, or ancillary science connected with the Vedas, the scriptures of Hinduism. This field of study was concerned with fixing the days and hours of Vedic rituals. The term Jyotisha also refers to Hindu astrology, a field that likely developed in the centuries after the arrival of Greek astrology with Alexander the Great, the zodiac signs being nearly identical. Etymology: Jyotisha, states Monier Williams, is rooted in the word Jyotish, which means light, such as that of sun or moon, a heavenly body. The term Jyotisha includes the study of astronomy, astrology and the science of timekeeping using the movements of astronomical bodies. It aimed to keep time, maintain calendar, and predict auspicious times for Vedic rituals. History: David Pingree has proposed that the field of timekeeping in Jyotisha may have been derived from Mesopotamia during the Achaemenid period, but Yukio Ohashi considers this proposal as definitely wrong. Ohashi states that this Vedanga field developed from actual astronomical studies in ancient India. The texts of Vedic Jyotisha sciences were translated into the Chinese language in the 2nd and 3rd centuries CE, and the Rig Vedic passages on astronomy are found in the works of Zhuangyan and Zhiqian. Timekeeping as well as the nature of solar and moon movements are mentioned in Vedic texts. For example, Kaushitaki Brahmana chapter 19.3 mentions the shift in the relative location of the sun towards north for 6 months, and south for 6 months. Texts: the ancient text and texts on Jyotisha is the Vedanga Jyotisha, which exists in 2 editions, one linked to Rig Veda and other to Yajur Veda. The Rig Veda version consists of 36 verses, while the Yajur Veda recension has 43 verses, of which 29 verses are borrowed from the Rig Veda. The Rig Veda version is variously attributed to sage Lagoda, and sometimes to sage Shuchi. The Yajur Veda version credits no particular sage, has survived into the modern era with a commentary of Somakara, and is the more studied version. The Jyotisha text Brahma Siddhanta, probably composed in the 5th century CE, discusses how to use the movement of planets, sun and moon to keep time and calendar. This text also lists trigonometry and mathematical formulae to support its theory of orbits, predict planetary positions and calculate relative mean positions of celestial nodes and apsides. The text is notable for presenting very large integers, such as 4.32 billion years as the lifetime of the current universe. The ancient Hindu texts on Jyotisha only discuss timekeeping, and never mention astrology or prophecy. These ancient texts predominantly cover astronomy, but at a rudimentary level. Technical horoscopes and astrology ideas in India came from Greece, states Nicholas Campion, and developed in the early centuries of the 1st millennium CE. Later medieval era texts such as the Yavana Jataka and the Siddhanta texts are more astrology related.